Okay, I needed some power strips, so why not get the Addtam version. So we're gonna check this out. This is a 2-pack, and it comes with a bunch of the outlets, and it comes with some USB ports. So let's check this thing out and see what they look like. Let's see what one of them looks like, because it's a pack of 2. If I can open it. So here we go. Guess we got to take them both out at the same time. Kind of cool. It comes with like that rope kind of feel on the plug, and it's a 3-prong outlet, which is nice. Very nice and white and pretty, and it comes with the your little surge protector there. 4 outlets there. Got a little space to put one here, so if you have one that has a big charger thing around it, you can put it in there. And then it's got 3 USB ports, so you can do charging. So this is great. You can stick it under the couch or wherever, and it's actually gonna look kind of nice because it's got the little rope going to it, and you can charge lots of stuff and connect lots of stuff to it. So this is cool. This is Addtam. So if you need a surge protector, go ahead and pick up one of these or 2 of these. It's a 2-pack. So thumbs up from me. The link's in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.